Figure AI is one of the fastest growing robotics companies in the world, but its journey began only a few years ago. The company was founded in 2022 by entrepreneur Brett Adcock, who believed that humanoid robots could help solve one of the biggest challenges facing many industries: a shortage of workers. Instead of building robots designed for only one specific task, Figure AI set out to create a general-purpose, humanoid robot capable of working alongside people. That vision quickly attracted attention across the technology industry. Investors recognized the potential of creating robots that could operate in environments already built for humans, including factories, warehouses, and eventually homes. Within a short time, Figure AI secured billions of dollars in funding from major technology companies and well-known investors, giving the startup the resources to accelerate development. The company's first robot, Figure 01, proved that its concept could become reality. It demonstrated the ability to walk, move objects, and perform simple tasks. Figure AI did not stop there. It continued improving the hardware and software, leading to the introduction of Figure 02. The newer robot featured better mobility, stronger hands, faster processing, and advanced artificial intelligence capable of understanding voice commands and interacting more naturally with people. A major milestone came when Figure AI partnered with BMW. Instead of limiting demonstrations to a laboratory, the company placed its humanoid robots inside a real manufacturing plant where they began performing repetitive production tasks. This was an important step because it showed that the robots could contribute in real-world industrial environments rather than controlled testing conditions. At the same time, Figure AI developed its own artificial intelligence system known as Helix. The platform allows the robots to understand spoken instructions, recognize objects, and coordinate both hands while completing complex tasks. These improvements move the robots closer to becoming useful assistants that can adapt to different jobs instead of being programmed for only one purpose. Today, Figure AI is considered one of the leading companies in humanoid robotics. With a valuation measured in tens of billions of dollars and growing interest from manufacturers around the world, the company is shifting its focus from research toward large-scale production. While there is still work to do before humanoid robots become common in everyday life, Figure AI has already made remarkable progress in just a few years, bringing the future of robotics much closer than many people expected.